You're late again, as usual. Satoru.
Tell me, do you have any last words?
I never held any hatred for those in Jujutsu High School. I just couldn't wear a heartfelt smile while living in this world.
Suguru. I believe this is yours.
Oh, my student ID. Thanks for finding it for me, Gojo.
No, it wasn't me. My best friend found it. My only friend, really.